Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Walmart Mastercard. To log into your Walmart Mastercard, first of all open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in walmartrewardsmc.ca and press enter on your keyboard. You will now end up in the login portal for Walmart Rewards. Type in your existing username in the first text box and type in your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your credentials, click on the Forgot Password and Recover Username option and follow through the prompts. If you don't have an account yet, you can click the Register button and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in your credentials correct, click on the Sign In button in order to sign into your Walmart Mastercard. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.